to do a nature scavenger hunt.
So we don't have no.
Yeah.
Now, okay, this is what the kids will be looking for. We are teaming up. Excuse my voice. Teresa, you're going to have to do a voiceover on this. All right, let me give y'all some context. The kids are arguing about who's with who because this little dude right here and my niece argue so bad. He don't want to be on my team.
No, cause what the fuck? Boy, I fight kids.
All right, so we are at the leaves. Do y'all see the yellow leaf and a brown? Let me see. All right, good job. Okay, all right.
Stay on trail.
I'll follow the trail.
The tree right here.
Did you get it?
An insect, then I see a spider web. I put everything in my pocket so I can have everything.
Where the watermelon? Good job. Okay.
Right there.
Right there. Shit.
No, it's done.
Whatever that is.
God.
Let me see, Dallas.
Go, come back up. Come back up.
This isn't ocean.
What's wrong with that?
Nathan, what it feel like? Like a weird texture, like rough, but like I've never.
Did you?
That's so.
No. Oh, that count at animal trail?
Yeah.
Berries are on there, right here. That'd be considered hay, but that's also a bush. An ant? Oh, I can see.
I don't know what I said.
These are ticks.
I don't like insects.
The dragonflies are so pretty.
What is this?
Baby, yeah.
I heard something. Y'all heard? They're going.
Smell it.
Ooh. Did you feel it? It's too fit. It's catfish down there.
Oh, Mr. World. Thank you so much. You see? Look down. You see him? She got a wedge in too. I had to record. This is like the small version of the Bridge of Terabithia. You know? Oh! I should have got that on video.
What is it called?
Ain't nothing done. You think it's alligators in this water?
I doubt it.
Down there, Devin. I wonder if they got down there over there.
Y'all found moss?
Can I count that as squash?
No, it's moss. It's on there. M-O-S-S.
Mom, we can take some moss. Oh yeah, moss, log, tree. Okay. Yeah, we got all of them. I'm gonna.
What do you see?
It's fine up in here.
You want to go up there?
All we gotta do is keep walking up.
Oh, okay. So and then when the way out.
Mason, you gonna scare him away, baby?
It's a scale. But it's just
I can hear him. I can't see him.
What's a scale? No, not. Man. No, what are you doing? Yeah. Then you find this. Woo. The butterfly. Then you find this. This. I'm gonna go up. I want to see D. I saw Dragonfly when we were by the moss.
Quack, quack. Do it again.
Quack, quack. What? It's a seashell. Where? I see. Oh yeah. Like the turtle. Hey, we could have just come over here and looked at the pine. There's like pine.